In this video, we're going to show you how to install fuel tank straps on your Cadillac Escalade located around your gas tank. And we're going to go ahead and raise up our gas tank support here. Now we're not going to lift the tank, we just want to support it while we remove our straps. So the front strap is right here. We have a 15mm bolt on the inside of the frame rail here. Lift that up, slide that out. On the back side, we have the other strap. Go ahead and lift that strap up and remove it. Go ahead and put your strap up and put that into the notch. And we're going to push this over and we're going to put our bolt in on the other side. Go ahead and line up that bolt. Get that started a couple threads. What we'll do is we'll go ahead and tighten this one up a little bit. We're not going to secure it all the way, but we'll bring it up a little bit and then we'll install the other strap. Install the rear strap. Go ahead and put your bolt in and line up that strap. All right, let's go ahead and snug that down. With the rear strap secured, let's go ahead and tighten down the front one. With these straps secure, go ahead and remove your gas tank jack, and we'll set that aside.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.